So I'm sitting outside Kroger where I just did a job. Yes, I work for the NSA, not NSA federal government. I wouldn't do that. But anyways, so I just finished a job and was taking care of my trash and just wrapping up leaving Kroger, and I scored some stuff as a bonus for the farm. The goats and probably my wife will love the wood spool and these pallets because my wife has a very unhealthy addiction to as many chickens as she can possibly sneak into our little farm. Now I gotta build a new chicken coop, and this is a bunch of pallets that I'll be able to get creative with, and they're really nice pallets. They have a full plywood top. They're all the exact same size. Follow along, see what we do with it. It's gonna be fun. Well, starting the second chicken coop for all these crazy chickens that we've got here. Chloe's the only helper I got right now. She's really not a whole lot of help. She's getting in the way. So that's our entrance to the hayloft. The plan is to do these cool pallets that I picked up yesterday as a wall along here, standing vertical. I have to remove the shelf. Removed our old hay feeder kind of box that we store the hay in, and occasionally I get a goat to peek over the wall at me. But anyways, back at it.
That's probably not safe.
Oh, careful.
Shocking her? Yeah, don't do that, okay? You confuse her. Thank you. Look what happens when you scratch your neck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He likes.
Oh.
So the night has come where we are moving all of the chicks, or the newer chicks, to the coop that we have mostly built inside the goat barn, so we can take this whole thing down so we can make a kidding pen for Molly, who will be most likely having goat babies in July if she's pregnant. We're still not sure. So I'm just doing some transferring right now, and so far I've transferred 16 birds. This will be good because we have no idea how many babies we have, so we'll see. So we put hot wire. Oh, here she goes. We put hot wire along the top of this temporary chicken coop walkout area.
She's totally checking it out.
This is only going to be here for a couple days. But the goats obviously are going to want to get on top of it. But the truth is, although we closed up a bunch of the holes, it's not very safe for them. There's still some small areas that they could get their paws in. And so we decided to go grab some extra of our hot wire.
And she's our pistol.
And Molly is the one who always likes to test the hot wire. So we'll see what happens. Because that's a good, what'd you say, 7,000?
It's 7,000 volts.
Volts that runs across that. I don't know. Maybe she decided not to.
Stupid goat. I want to see her get buzzed.
Don't say that. I can't put that on her YouTube.
Tick me off tonight.
She's very curious.
She's totally gonna do it. She's just waiting to make sure there's no video of her doing it.
Right? She's like, do I want the world to know that
I'm a dummy.
Oh, Molly. So this area here, unfortunately, it doesn't look awesome. We've had to put a lot of holds on our building because lumber is so expensive right now. So we just kind of finagled everything together. But after a couple days, the chickens are going to be able to just come right out into the goat run without this chicken housing here. So, but for now, to get them used to it, this is what they're stuck with for a few days. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe she's learned.